Hey everyone, how are you? I am so excited to be talking with you again. I have so many videos to catch up with you guys on because, man, there's been some really good products released. And I'm gonna start with Drunk Elephant because they came out with a retinol cream that was really impressive. And I shouldn't sound so shocked. I mean, their products are great, but I just never expected a retinol cream. I've used a lot of retinol creams because I think retinol creams are fantastic. One interesting fact that I found out about retinol creams is that it was actually created to help people that suffer from acne. Sometimes a dermatologist will recommend a retinol for a younger teenager. And some people are like, whoa, like, isn't it too early for them to start a retinol cream? Because people think of retinol creams for like aging skin. But really, what retinols do is they help your skin produce healthy skin cells. So they work from the deep parts of your skin layers up. So they are kind of like the secret agents working behind the scenes. Now this little retinol cream works great and it is strong, let me tell you. I've used my fair share of retinol creams and this one will take you from smooth skin to flaking very quickly. Now, sometimes when people see the flaking that happens when using this, they stop using it and they're like, no, I don't want the flaking skin. Don't worry, it's all part of the process. Just make sure you gradually increase your retinol use, starting maybe once every 3 days, then maybe once every other day. When you're using this, if you're using this at night, do not use an acid in that same day. Once you start using this and your skin gets used to it, then you can start working in maybe using an acid in that same morning routine. And Drunk Elephant even recommends that you can even combine these two together. But don't get too eager. Baby steps. If you're already a Drunk Elephant fan, I would definitely recommend grabbing this one because it works great with all the other Drunk Elephant products like the TLC or the Baby Facial. The difference would be the Baby Facial and the TLC really help to smooth out your skin. Like everyone talks about how smooth their skin feels after they use it, which is fantastic. It's exactly what an AHA or BHA acid is supposed to do, is remove the dead skin cells on top of your skin and make you super smooth and glowy. So that's why the two products work so great together. This one works from the bottom up and this one works from the top down. In my experience, when I use a retinol cream, my skin really looks amazing. I have no breakouts, it diminishes fine lines. With all the new skin cells happening, my skin just looks gorgeous. It gets that youthful glow back, especially when I use a gentle exfoliator and kind of take off that top layer of dead skin cells it creates. Like it's just this magnificent glow. So don't shy away from a retinol. So if you've already checked out this product, I'd love to hear your thoughts below. I am a huge fan. I'm gonna keep myself planted right here and create some more videos for you guys. If you wanna subscribe, the next video I'll post is about the new Slay Makeup Melting Butter Cleanser by Drunk Elephant. Thanks again for staying with me. Bye.